Hello, this is Alex from your Lifelines Neuro support team. Today, we are going to walk you through the steps of starting and stopping different types of studies in Trackit Plus. For the purposes of this video, we will discuss a dual recording. Other recording options would include an ambulatory recording with your amplifier only, or a PC recording. Before we begin, let's pause Windows updates on our system to ensure no computer updates will push through during our study. This is simply a precautionary measure, and if there are updates pending, they should be completed after the conclusion of the study in coordination with your company's workflow and protocol. We always recommend pausing Windows updates if possible when using our systems. Now, let's launch the Trackit software. If you are greeted to the Trackit Setup Wizard, you can click the X in the right-hand corner for now. Our first step is to decide what type of recording we want to run: ambulatory, PC, or dual. As mentioned before, for this example, we will run through setting up a dual recording. We will now enter the patient's first and last name. The recording ID should be in coordination with your facility's protocol. Next, choose your setup file. Ensure your amplifier is on and the USB box is unchecked. We can now connect. If you're recording with video, now is the time to select yes or no. Change the recording file name to whatever your facility's preference is, but remember, it must be 8 characters. You can also keep the default. Select refresh and then check disk to ensure your storage card is ready to record. Select start. The recording should now be started. You can verify this by looking in the bottom right-hand corner of the software. It should read Trackit Plus PC Record On. Once the study has been completed, click the Stop Recording button. It will ask if you would like to stop the PC recording. You will click Yes. It will then prompt you to stop the Trackit recording, again, clicking Yes. And that's how you start and stop a dual recording study. For a closer look at recording a new study, see our in-depth how-to guide on our website's technical support hub. Thank you for choosing Lifelines Neuro. If you have any technical questions, please contact us, your customer support team. Is there something you want to learn about? Send us an email and let us know what you would like to see next. Links are in the description. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our mailing list to see updates from Lifelines Neuro.